Welcome back. Today I would like to share you another tips for your iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max and even the older iPhone. So you can see here on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, take a look on my dynamic island. I can go ahead and hold on it and I should be able to call someone directly from my dynamic island. It is like very simple and quick. So now let me show you how to do it. First, what you need to do, you need to be at least on iOS 16.1 because with this new version, Apple added a new feature called Live Activity, which you can like interact on your dynamic island. And with the older iPhone, you can go ahead and do it from your lock screen right there. And then from here, you need to download the app called Call Widget, or you can click from the link in my video description. With this one, it also gives you a like subscription, but you can go ahead and use it for free. Now let me open it. And when I click on this button, you're gonna see something like this where you can close on the left side, and then you're gonna click on dynamic island, and then you need to add a contact that you want to call directly from your dynamic island or from the top here. And let's say this as an example, and I can add an image if I want, but I'm not gonna do it. So you can do it if you like. And then I can like click on save, and I can click on start, and after that I can just go back here. You can see we have the call button on the left, and then when I hold on it, I should be able to call someone or the person that I have already added into my dynamic island. And thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.